What's up, y'all? Telltale Explorer back here, and today, right now, we're gonna go over my toolbox. So let's get straight into it. I'm gonna start from the top. We're gonna go way down to the bottom. So, over here, or actually, we'll start right here. Over here, I just have like my tool pouch, my everyday carry. So, let's see how I can do this. So, I hope y'all can see. But right now, I have my Milwaukee knife. Pretty good. It just flips open. It's pretty beat up. Probably need like a new blade for it or something. Right here is my level. I love this level. Right here is my just regular Husky pliers. I use them as linemen's. I will get linemen soon. That's coming soon. And here is just my mini dikes, or wire cutters, whatever, same thing. Let's see, right here, if I can get it out, is my Milwaukee wire strippers. I absolutely love these things. They're good, pretty beat up, but other than that, they're good. I got my outlet tester. It just checks if wires are hot or not, so you just turn it on, you put it up to a wire, it will beep and blink red. Right now it's green. Right here is just my 11-in-1 Milwaukee tool. So you just have this mini bit with hex bits on it. Then you got a little nut driver right there. Then just a Phillips and flathead. Then another nut driver on the side. And then right here is a nut driver. I think it's I forget what it is, but it's a nut driver. I forget what it is. On the other side, same thing, just square bit. Really just same thing. This one is basically the same thing. It just has bigger and smaller Phillips tips. Just some Milwaukee screwdrivers. You know. So we got the biggest one is a flathead. Phillips. Then a 1/4 Phillips, or not Phillips, a flathead, and then a 3/16 Phillip. Or not Phillip, flathead, sorry. Then right here, if I can get it out the pouch, is my circuit tester. It just checks, you just stick it up into an outlet. It'll tell you if it's open ground, open neutral, open hot, hot, or GRD reverse. Hot / neutral, reverse, and correct. And then I just got my Milwaukee marker and pencil, or a Home Depot pencil. I'm not gonna get it out right now, but it's my 25-foot auto lock Milwaukee measuring tape, and then I got my black electrical tape. So that's really all with my pouch. Now we're going to be moving up to the top. Alright, so up above is, I got my American Eagle hard hat. And just regular hard hat. Over here, I just have my respirator mask. Just some pegs for my bike. And then over here, just some nails and stuff. Safety glasses. And then right here is just a couple bits for a screwdriver. Just got my Husky knife, just got my little Husky knife. That's supposed to be actually in the house. Just a couple electrical stuff, just like outlet covers, stuff like that. I got an outside weather guard. moving on over here, I just got my Milwaukee 2 amp hour battery. Only had 3 bars. Some trash. And here, I can open it with one hand. Let me just do this. In here is just my Milwaukee adapter and just dividers for my Milwaukee pack out, and just 2 sockets. One is a 7/16, and this is a 13, I think. Am I right? Hold on. I think it's a 13, but over here, just got some gloves. Just a little knife, little level. We got some thumbtacks, a hammer that I really never use. I just got some clips. Now moving down here, got all my screwdrivers. So they're all combined. It's Milwaukee, Stanley, Husky, really anything to be honest. But just got like my Phillips, another Phillips, flathead. If you need a screwdriver, I basically have it over here. I got like stubbies and stuff. See, this is to those. And then these bits are for this Husky. Over here, just got a little bit of wrenches, and Allen wrenches. I do need to get more wrenches though. Like, got big wrenches, adjustable wrenches. Moving down here, this is some measuring tapes that I mostly use this one inside and then my Milwaukee outside. Just got pliers, got my Husky wire strippers that I basically don't use. Just pliers. Over here, it's got channel locks. Got 4 of them. I don't know what brand this is. I think it's Kinepix. Then over here, Husky. A pump. Some ear plugs. 2 levels. A headlamp and a black light. Moving on down. I have 3 hammers. This one I use on the daily, but these ones are Husky. This one's Milwaukee. And this is an older Milwaukee. Then got a Milwaukee flashlight. And I think Milwaukee Gen 2, Gen 1 maybe? Or Impact. Works great. As long as it gets the job done. I don't care about generations. Then I got a hammer drill. It's pretty nice. Then we got a nail puller. Then a crowbar. I don't really use this as much. I know it looks pretty beat up, but I don't really use it as much. I basically use this. It's because it's way smaller. I got my speed square, my Empire speed square. Then I got my Husky 1/4 ratchet set. And I got my Hyper Tough ratchet set 3/8. Then my Milwaukee 1/4. I love this ratchet set. If I can get it open. love it. Moving on down below. I know it's getting darker, but it's down below. It's my cobalt toolbox. I usually use this as storage. I just have my tool belt in here, and then screwdrivers I don't use. And I was gonna sell, but the seller never picked them up, so I'm just stuck with them. But yeah, that's all really that's in there. Okay, now, what else I'm going to show you is my pack out. So first, it's the skinny organizer. Let's open this up real quick. Got all my bits. I have them organized to long Phillips heads. Double bit. I don't know what they're called. Long square bits, long hex bits. I got my lock bit right here, and just got my locker, or what are they called? Bit holders, whatever. And I've got my everyday use bit because it's the sleeve one. If I can sleeve it up. It's the sleeve. It's my everyday one. I think this is the 12-inch one. But then just got a whole bunch of nut drivers and miscellaneous, really. Then I got my mini Phillips. What's this thing in here? What's that? That's a square bit. There goes right there. But then I got my mini square bits. I don't know what this is doing in here. Let's go in here. The mini hex bits and flatheads. That's really all that's in this pack out. My next one is really not that good. It's the bigger version of that one. This is actually the first ever pack I got. It really doesn't have that much in it. It just has, I have them sorted out by color. So these are silver, and these are all gold. And then there's just this in here, ratchet extension. That's really it for this. Come on, don't do this to me now. Now this one, get the big part. Okay. So this one. So these are my, what are these? My medium screws, I think, yeah. My bigger screws. This is the biggest screw I have right now. I just got some zip ties. I just have some cleavers. The mini zip ties down there. Wire nuts. Staples. It's got some unused bolts. Wood screws, washers. And here is unused screws. I just got some gloves. And then just got my mini screws and some nails. That's really it for this one. Then down at the bottom, I have my sander, my jigsaw, my nail gun, or it's either a staple or a nail gun, and then I got my 2-foot level down here. And then we got my Husky nailing pad. Didn't really have to use it that much. And then this is my Milwaukee bag, but it has 2 others in it. And my Husky bag, which just has miscellaneous stuff in them. So that is my toolbox. Hope y'all enjoyed. And I'll catch you on the foot. Peace out.